Our next adventure begins in Hawaii. We're currently on Oahu, and it is sunrise on our first day. You can see the volcano Diamond Head in the background, and we're here on Waikiki Beach. And we got a lot of good stuff coming up, and can't wait to share it all with you. All right, we've made it to the Hilton Hawaiian Village. We're in the Tapa Tower, and this is our diamond upgrade to a nice junior suite. We've got a little living room area over here, a couple balconies in this room, TV that swivels, little table area over here, very nice. 2 queen beds and a wet bar. This will be nice during the daytime. Come through here. Got a nice closet, double vanities. We have one in here and then one in here. And then we have a bathtub. So we are in good shape for our week-long stay here at the Hilton Hawaiian Village Tapa Tower. my gosh, y'all, look at the view from our hotel room. This is the first time we've been out here because we got here when it was dark. There's the marina and the lagoon. The famous Rainbow Tower. And the Pacific Ocean. This place is incredible.